Hi, I just wanted to make this video to demonstrate the grinding noise that I'm getting on my brand new Wahoo KICKR core purchased from Wiggle in February 2021. So the kit is set up, as you can see. The cassette spins freely. You can hear that there's no play or rubbing when I pedal backwards. However, when pedaling forwards, there is a horrific rubbing noise. This happens throughout the gears, but seems to be worse when there's more torque being put through, more power being put through. Again, the free hub's spinning, but it's only power being put through. So I'm guessing that there is something within the casing itself is rubbing, but there's definitely something not right with this piece of equipment.